If your Tesla Model S key fob isn't being detected, it's likely due to a few common reasons: a dead or weak battery, antenna issues within the car or the fob, or pairing problems between the fob and the vehicle's system. First, battery issues. The key fob uses a CR2032 battery that typically lasts 1 to 2 years. A weak battery causes intermittent detection or no response within 5 to 10 feet of the vehicle. Second, antenna problems. Antennas in the vehicle or fob can degrade due to weather exposure, physical damage, or electromagnetic interference, leading to signal dropout. Third, pairing troubles. Pairing syncs the fob's unique ID with the vehicle's infotainment system. Errors can arise from software glitches, interference, or corrupted data in the body control module. These are the main reasons for key fob detection issues. Let's explore how to address each of them effectively to restore functionality. The most common cause of key fob detection issues is a depleted CR2032 battery in the fob. This small coin cell battery powers the fob's communication with the vehicle. Symptoms of a low battery include intermittent detection, where the fob works sometimes but not others, or needing to be very close to the car for it to respond. The normal detection range is typically 5 to 10 feet. To replace the battery, start by prying open the fob carefully using a small screwdriver. Look for the seam along the edge and gently separate the two halves. Be careful not to damage the internal components. Step 2. Remove the old battery from its holder. Note the orientation. The positive side usually faces up. Then insert a fresh CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the correct direction as indicated in the fob. Step 3. Make sure the battery is securely seated in its holder. Then carefully snap the two halves of the fob back together, ensuring they click into place properly. Test the repaired fob by walking away from the car to about 10 feet, then back toward it. If the car detects the fob and unlocks automatically, the battery replacement has solved the issue. To prevent future detection problems, regularly replace the CR2032 battery every 1 to 2 years, depending on usage. Keep spare batteries on hand, and consider setting a reminder on your calendar. The Tesla Model S relies on antennas located in both the key fob and the vehicle itself to enable keyless entry and remote functions. Antenna issues can stem from physical damage to the vehicle's external antennas, exposure to humid or corrosive environments, or interference from electromagnetic sources like other electronics. To identify antenna issues, try using the key fob at various positions around the vehicle. Test detection at the front doors, rear, and sides to see if the problem is location-specific, which can indicate antenna failure. For persistent issues, visit a Tesla service center for professional diagnosis. Antenna module failures are particularly common in older models and areas with high humidity. As of 2025, Tesla provides free antenna replacements under service bulletins for eligible Model S variants. Sometimes the fob's unique ID can become unsynced with the vehicle's system. This can happen due to software glitches, electromagnetic interference, or corrupted data in the BCM. To repair, go to Controls, Locks, Key Fobs on your Tesla's touchscreen. You can try a simple reset or completely unpair and repair the fob following the on-screen instructions. If these fail, a diagnostic scan at a Tesla service center can identify BCM faults. Electromagnetic interference from nearby electronics can sometimes cause pairing errors. Move away from devices when attempting to pair. Tesla regularly releases over-the-air software updates that can significantly improve key fob connectivity and diagnostics. These wireless updates often include specific fixes for known issues, enhancing the reliability of your vehicle's access system. To benefit from these improvements, ensure your Tesla is always running the latest firmware. Updates are delivered seamlessly through Tesla's secure network, keeping your vehicle current with the newest features and bug fixes. A notable example is the V12.0 update from late 2025, which brought enhanced diagnostics specifically for key fob connectivity. This update allows the vehicle's touchscreen to display real-time battery status and signal strength, making troubleshooting much easier for owners. By staying current with software updates, you can maintain optimal key fob performance and contribute to the overall reliability of your Tesla vehicle. When basic troubleshooting steps like battery replacement, antenna checks, and repairing don't resolve key fob detection issues, the problem may involve the vehicle's body control module. The body control module, or BCM, serves as the central electronic hub managing various vehicle systems, including key fob communication. Faults in the BCM can prevent detection even when the fob itself is functioning properly. In such cases, professional help is needed. A Tesla service center can perform a diagnostic scan using specialized tools to identify BCM faults and other electronic issues that aren't visible through basic checks. Common solutions include firmware reflashing, which updates the BCM software to address glitches, or in more severe cases, complete replacement of the BCM module. Tesla is increasingly shifting towards digital keys like phone key and keycard. Over 70% of new Model S owners now opt for app-based keys, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Phone Key lets you use your smartphone as a key via the Tesla app, while KeyCard is a digital card that provides secure access. Over 70% of new Model S owners now choose app-based keys, reducing dependency on physical fobs. Future models are trending towards fully keyless systems, utilizing ultra-wideband technology for more precise location tracking. This could eliminate fob issues altogether by 2030, providing more reliable and convenient access. Prevention and long-term solutions can help minimize Tesla Model S key fob issues and ensure reliable vehicle access. Start with regular battery maintenance. Tesla Model S key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery that typically lasts 1 to 2 years. Replace it proactively to prevent weak signals and detection failures. Protect your key fob from environmental damage. Avoid exposing it to extreme heat, cold, or moisture, which can corrode internal components or cause antenna failures. Coastal areas with salt air are particularly problematic for vehicle antennas. Ensure your Tesla's software is current. Over-the-air updates like V12.0 include improved key fob diagnostics and fixes for pairing issues. Regular updates maintain compatibility and resolve known bugs. Consider switching to digital keys. Tesla's phone key and app-based access are more reliable than physical fobs, with over 70% of new buyers choosing this option. They eliminate battery and signal issues. Be aware of upcoming changes. Tesla plans to phase out support for pre-2020 key fob hardware by 2028, encouraging upgrades to digital solutions. Future vehicles may use ultra-wideband technology for even better keyless access. By implementing these preventive measures and staying informed about Tesla's evolving technology, you can minimize key fob issues and enjoy reliable vehicle access for years to come.